Okay, so good evening, everyone. Just let me introduce myself for this first class. So I am Subhargam Manna. Currently, I am learning in the 8th semester. Okay, that means the final year. Okay, and currently I am in EC, Electronics and Communication Engineering. Okay, so I am already placed in three MNCs. So it is the first is a KPIT, then I gave the opportunity in IBS, and finally I gave the opportunity. I got the opportunity in TISMO. Okay, so in this company, in these three companies, I got the opportunity. Okay, in the meantime, I am also learning and teaching. Okay, recently I have completed that JavaScript batch. Some of you already familiar, and uh, some of you have already attended that part. Okay, so now in this batch we will continue that React.js. Okay, React.js. So I have already created this workspace. Okay, already created this workspace. So react.js at the rate 2024. So in this workspace, everything we will do. Okay, everything. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I am going to create one file. Okay, so note. That means all the note we will write here. Okay, so edit in Notepad plus plus. Okay, I will use this Notepad plus plus editor. Okay, so today is what just a date I am mentioning. So date is what 10 uh 10th March. Yes, and 2024. Okay. And one thing I should mention you, actually, whenever I have started the JavaScript batch, so in the JavaScript batch, the first two demo session was just for interest growing purpose. That means not I have not directly taught that JavaScript. But in this React batch, this first two demo session, it is completely that React learning purpose. Is it or not? So not only the all introduction, okay, related to why React, all the information I will give it here. Okay. So first, let me just tell you what we will cover in this batch. Okay, so this batch is what React.js, not React.js. So React.js, what version we will learn? We will learn version 18. Okay, version 18. So in this React.js, okay, React.js version 18 is the latest one. That means uh, you can think like every industry is switched to React.js 18. No, that's the problem. Actually, if you learn this React.js 18 and if you go to industry, then you will face that difficulty because everyone still not switch to what React.js 18. Some company is still using React 17. Okay, so that's why we will cover what we will cover React 17 plus. Right? Yes, so plus and the new features of 18. Understood or not? So we will see this 17 followed by this 18. That means every time, suppose I am teaching router. Router is actually one concept of the React. Okay. So first, what we will see 17 features. Then immediately after the 17 features we have seen, what we will see the new features of React 18. Yes, everyone understood now. So what is the syllabus for React 18? Just I am mentioning the point, not actually not the syllabus. So what's the new features of React 18? What's the new features of React 18? Just I'm mentioning here. Okay. So React 18 new features. So first is what concurrent React. Okay. Everything we will discuss. Just the points I am giving here. Okay. So you will get the knowledges from this class. That's why I'm just mentioning this point. Okay. Another is automatic batching. Automatic batching. Understood? Okay. Next is transitions. Okay. Transitions. Okay. Next is new suspense feature. Okay. New suspense feature is there. Okay. That I will discuss also. New suspense features. Okay. Next is what client and server rendering API. Client, client and server rendering API. So rendering API. Okay. Next is strict mode behaviors. Strict mode behaviors. That means in React again some strict mode is there similar to that JavaScript. I think some of you know that JavaScript also supports the strict mode now. Everyone just confirm me once that you know that what is strict mode in JavaScript. Similar to that, in React also, strict mode is there. Something is there that also we will see, and that's completely React 18 new feature. Okay. Okay, so React 18 strict mode behavior. Next is some new hooks are there. Hooks actually another topics. Okay, hooks related some new another topics are there. So inside hooks, some new hooks are there. Suppose use ID. Okay, we will learn these all topics. No need to worry. But just what I am doing here, just I am mentioning the points what we will learn. That's why. Then used transition is there. I mentioned na transition feature is there, so that's why use transition is there. Okay, next is what some use uh, deferred value. Okay, use deferred value. Okay, and many more is there, but I'm just not mentioning everything. Okay, next is routing version 6. We will see routing version 6. Okay, now these are the new features of React 18. All of this we will cover, but whenever the 17 features we will cover, then only we will go to this. Okay, okay, now so what topics we are actually covering? What we are we are covering? Topics we are covering. Topics actually we are covering. First of all, React 17 and and 18 new features. Yes, understood. 17 and new features we are covering. Okay, next we are covering. We also see JavaScript some basics, just for revision purpose. We will see some up to some portion we will see. Okay, but after the JavaScript we will also learn TypeScript entire programming language, TypeScript programming language we will see. Okay, you no need to depend on some another sources to learn TypeScript. Okay, whenever we will see the React, we will see React with TypeScript, na React with TypeScript. And you know, I think you know, JavaScript is having some problem, na some security issues, na. That's why TypeScript is there. JavaScript OOP language? Anyone can tell me, is JavaScript OOP language? Yes, anyone? Just confirm me that you know, is JavaScript OOP language? Just tell me once. No, JavaScript is not what OOP language. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is object-based, na object-based programming language. But TypeScript is what? Object-based. That means more security is there, na. More security is there, na. More feature is there, na. That's why what is recommended? What is recommended is in market. TypeScript is recommended. That's why we should at least we should learn how to use the TypeScript with React. Everyone got the point. That's why before learning that we will learn the entire TypeScript language. Okay, so it will take some 5 or 6 classes, extra classes. Okay, that is absolutely I am giving. JavaScript we will learn just a TypeScript. Actually some features are actually there of Java. That means what I am telling, JavaScript plus plus is TypeScript. Understood now? JavaScript plus plus is TypeScript. So that related concept we will see, and the new concept of TypeScript also we will see. Understood na? Then we will see the most trending things are in the market. Redux also we will see. Okay, then React Native. Actually all the concept we will see. What is Redux? Okay, then why React Native? What is the difference between React and React Native? Okay, just you have to keep your patience. Okay, you have to keep your patience. Everything in a very detailed manner we will see, and so many projects also I have designed for you. React means nothing but design, nothing but design. In JavaScript, what we have seen, so many examples. Actually, what's there is something doing. Okay, why something it is happening with respect to some code, how to manipulate the browser, na? Then whenever we are coming in the React, then Java, by using that React, we are actually doing what? Manipulating interactive pages, na. That's why so many projects also I have designed for you. Okay, just what you have to do, you have to keep your patience and follow me. Okay, then another introduction. So introduction of introduction to various tool chains. Various tool chains. Understood, na? Various tool chains. Like this React Native, Redux. These are also the tool chains. Okay. Similarly, some more interesting tool chains are there that we will just introduce. Okay. Whenever you will just understand how to use this Redux or React Native, then you will also able to understand these various tool chains also. Yes, everyone got the point, na? Okay. Now, up to this, what we have seen, what are the new features of React 18, and what we are actually going to cover in this entire batch. Okay. Then what are the then before going to learn what is React and why we need React, we have to understand some basic point. Yes or not? Whenever you are coming to this React batch, first what you will ask, what is React and why we need React? Na? What is React and why we need React? But believe me, before going to discuss this question, we need some basic idea of some another things. Basic idea with respect to web development. Okay, okay, that I want to discuss today. Okay, so can anyone tell me what are the challenges in modern web development? Can anyone tell me? Can you name anything, any particular problem? What is the challenges in the modern web development? Anyone? Some of you are also in the various type of hackathon and tech fest like groups, na? Then in some of you are also working with web development project. Anyone can tell me what type of difficulty you are facing? What type of difficulty you are facing? Actually, now listen to me very carefully. Modern web users are using web from smart devices. Is it or not? Smart devices. That means your laptop, your mobile, even in smartwatch. Can you see this variation? Can you see this variation? Laptop. Then what I am telling? Mobile. Okay. Then what I am telling? Smartwatch. Can you see this variation? Even smart TV is there na. Today nowadays smart TV they are using na. We are using smart TV. Smart TV means almost 43-inch screen. Okay, laptop means 15.6-inch screen. Okay, mobile means uh, 7-inch, 10-inch like tablet. Okay, smartwatch means suppose 2-inch screen. Can you see this variation? 40-inch to 2-inch. Everything we have to support na. Everyone, just see this, these type of challenges we have to face in modern web development. Okay, that's why what are the challenges? I am giving the name. So first is unified user experience. Okay, UX means user experience. Okay, next is number two. I am giving fluid user experience. Fluid user experience. Okay, and third is what? Loosely coupled. Loosely coupled and extensible. Now that's the point I have told you, but I have never told you what that means actually. Now unified user experience means actually an application must have the same behavior. Yes, an application must have the same behavior across any of these device. Understood? Now that's why I am telling as unified user experience. Yes, exactly, Prayas. So unified user experience means what I am telling, in every device, the web page must occur properly. That's why I am telling what an application must have same behavior across any device. Understood, everyone? What is user experience? Tell me, everyone, just confirm me once you understood what is unified user experience. Now, this type of theoretical knowledge, you think like some boring knowledge, but believe me, this is important. Whenever you go to any interview, this is the basic questions you will face. And if you don't give the answer for this type of questions, they will never ask the react questions. Simply reject. Okay. We will also see hands-on. Just wait for some time. We will also see hands-on. Okay, just to confirm me once you have understood what is unified user experience. Yes, you have understood. Now, fluid user experience. Fluid user experience. Can anyone tell me what is fluid user experience? Anyone? Uh, so what I should repeat? Unified user experience. Yes, unified user experience means an application must have same behavior across any device. Understood, na? I just told you, smart device is there. Smart devices are there, like smart TV. Okay, laptop is there, mobile is there, smart watch is there. Now all these devices is having different size of screens, different size of memory, different size of CPU even. Understood or not? That means you can think like the variation between this smart TV to smart watch. Can you see this? But what is your challenge? Your challenge is your developed website must work among all these devices properly. Is it or not? Is it or not? Whenever you are designing your website so that it can work perfectly in all these devices, then what we will see? What we will say? What we will say? We will say that yes, your website is very good. Yes or not? Your website is very good. That's why what it is tell, what is it is told actually, what it is told as unified user experience. That's why I am telling unified user experience means an application must have same behavior across any device. Is it or not? Okay, now can anyone tell me what is fluid experience? Anyone? What is fluid UX? Anyone can tell me what is fluid UX? Fluid means what? Something that is carrying, na? Something that is flowing, na? So what's looking actually like flowing? Suppose I'm going to Google, okay? Going to Google, and what thing I should search? Suppose a flower, okay? Flower, flower I am searching, okay? Then going to images, going to images. Now look into this, look into this scroll bar, look into this scroll bar. Okay, the size of the scroll bar will decrease whenever I will scroll down. Na, automatically the size of the scroll bar will decrease. Now everyone focus on the size of the scroll bar. See, yes, automatically it is decreasing or not? Yes, automatically it is decreasing or not? Is it good or not? Is it good or not? Automatically it is loading, na? Automatically the images are loading. But if you only search on in the Google, suppose only searching your you are only searching in the Google, what will happen? You are going down, going down, going down. You came at the top, at the bottom, at the bottom. What will happen? What will happen? It is automatically generating. It is automatically generating. Actually, in the earlier version of the Google, na, there 1, 2, 3, 4 like number came. Can anyone confirm me once that you have seen that 1, 2, 3, 4 like number? But currently, just recently, Google made some changes. Google made some changes. Google made this default page also fluid UX. Suppose I'm opening one new private window. Okay, so suppose Google and sign in. Recently, they have also changed this Google sign in. Why? Because they also feels this unified UX and fluid UX. They also need this. That's why. Understood, na? So that's why unable to show you. Just checking. Bing search is there now. Bing search. So just to check. I want to check Bing search how it is working. Is it still having that fluid UX or not? Just I want to search something in Bing. Okay. Suppose I am searching flower. Okay, flower. It is also having UX or not? Just checking. Okay. Yes. See, it is not having UX now. It is not having that fluid UX. Can you see this 1, 2, 3, 4 number is coming now? Now you assume, suppose this page is you are opening in the smartwatch. What will happen? You will take your microscope to touch here. Is it realistic? Tell me. Suppose you are opening the same page in your smartwatch. Is it realistic? No, na? Even in Mobile also, you have to zoom the page, you have to zoom the page, then click here. Is it realistic? No. That's why everyone nowadays talks about fluid user experience. Everyone understood what is fluid user experience? Just tell me, you understood that fluid user experience or not? Yes, everyone is telling that yes, understood. Okay, so what is now, what is loosely coupled and extensible? What is loosely coupled and extensible? Loosely coupled and extensible is something different actually. Okay, suppose I am drawing one diagram. Okay, suppose uh, just assume this is your bank application. Bank application. What is this name? What is the name of this bank application? Or no bank name I will give. ABC ABC Bank, ABC Bank application uh, you are using. Okay, suppose some bank, some this ABC Bank. Okay, suppose this ABC Bank uh, taking their new feature in the name of, in the name of, suppose uh, suggest me some name actually. Suppose instant loan. Suppose instant loan. Instant loan, they are just launching this new feature. Okay, instant loan, that means anyone can take any type, a limited limited value of loan. Okay, anyone can take a limited value of loan at any time, at any time. Suppose they are now giving this feature to this bank app. Okay, suppose they are giving this feature to this bank app. What happened actually, what happened is those people will design this ABC Bank again. Just tell me, those people will design this ABC Bank application again? No. What they will do? Just simply push this feature into this application. Na? Simply push this feature into this application. But what will happen? Whenever they are pushing this feature, na, this bank app is not opening. This bank app is not opening. Sometimes this type of problem happens with the WhatsApp. They have given some new feature in some device, it is working, in some device it is not working. Anyone faced this type of difficulty? I once have this type of difficulty. I am what I am doing, I am using that WhatsApp camera to send some image. Okay, so whenever I am using that WhatsApp camera, the image quality is decreasing so much. But whenever by mobile camera I am taking and then sharing, then the quality is okay. So this type of feature sometimes may not work properly. That's why this is called as loosely coupled and extensible. Loosely coupled and extensible. Anyone can know this terminology, what it is called? What is called whenever this type of feature creating the problem, what it is called? One very good terminology is there. The terminology is catastrophic failure. Catastrophic failure. Everyone understood na? Understood up to this portion? Anyone any doubt? No na? Okay, so now onwards, now what you have understood, what are the challenges just now you have understood. Now the question is, what's the solution? What is the solution? What is the solution? What is the solution? Now our human minds tells about some new thing, some new thing or new technology you have to use, which is capable to handle this type of feature. Yes or not? Our human mind, what our human mind will say? Our human mind will say that use some feature, that feature is, or use some technology, that technology is capable to handle this or not. Yes, everyone. What our human mind will tell? Our human mind will tell, use a special technology, which technology supports these three feature. Yes or not? But before going to new technology, just ask yourself, whatever the technology is there currently, can we use, that means can we use JavaScript and jQuery? JavaScript and jQuery, JavaScript and jQuery is still there na? So can you use JavaScript and jQuery to solve the problem? The answer is yes, yes. But again, the problem is so many. so many DOM manipulation logic you have to write. So many DOM manipulation logic you have to write. Understood na? That's why we are searching for new technology. Everyone is just telling me, everyone just telling me the JavaScript and jQuery is capable to handle this type of problem. But the problem is so many DOM manipulation and logic you have to write. So being a programmer, or sorry, being a developer, do you want to spend so much time to develop your website? No, na. Suppose you are getting some framework, okay, or suppose you are getting some library, then it will be very easy, na. It will be very easy. Simply import and use it. That's why what is the solution? The solution is making spa means what? Single page application. Single page application. Understood now? Now what is single page application? What is single page application? Single page application, like you have seen Twitter is the single page application. Okay. Another thing is Google, Gmail. Suppose I'm opening Gmail. uh, what is my Gmail? But this is my personal account. I don't want to open it. I have to change it uh, to some this account, or not this, this account. Okay. Yes, this account. Okay, Gmail. Okay, now see, this is single page application. Why I am telling this page as single page application? Because whenever you are moving from primary tab to promotion tab, suppose you are moving from primary tab to promotion tab, is the page reloading? Is the page reloading? You focus on this reload button. I am changing the tab. Okay, changing promotion tab. Is the page reloaded? Everyone confirm me. Page reloaded or not? Just confirm me. Page reloaded. Again, I am changing promotion tab to social tab. Page reloaded. Suppose I am going to this trace. Suppose I am going to trace. Is page reloaded? No. Anything I can do on this website, the page will not reload. That's why this is single page application. Single page application. Suppose I am opening SBI, SBI online, SBI online, that SBI website. Okay, SBI online. Okay, this I am opening. So now whenever I am clicking on this login button, now page will reload or not? See, page is reloading. Page is reloading or not? That means that login page to this page is not a single page application. That means SBI is not using single page application. But whenever I am logged in now, whenever I am logged in, even SBI is also using single page application. That means this this uh, this SBI after some portion they are using single page application, but before that they are not using. Suppose I am clicking on this continuing to login. Now check. Now check this page will reload or not. Everyone focus on this reload button. I'm clicking on this continue to login. Is it changing? Is it reloading? No, na. That means this type of page is a particular portion is not single page application, and after that it is single page application. If you have SBI account, you can log in, and after a login, you can find that later portion is a spa single page application. Okay, that means a page have the combination of spa. Okay, as that means a particular portion is having spa, and after that no spa. Even Google like website is having fully spa. Okay, and some website is not even spa. Suppose this Zoom website. Okay, Zoom website. Suppose I'm moving from meeting to suppose what settings, moving what meeting to settings I'm moving. Check, page is reloading now. Page is reloading. Page is reloading. Now this is not spa. It is not fully spa. Not even a single page is spa. Everyone understood or not? What is spa? You are getting the feeling? Yes. What is spa? Okay. Now anyone can tell me. What is the first spa website in the world. Everyone used that. All of you have used that. But do you know that what is the first spa in the world? Anyone? Actually, the first spa, just for your information and interest purpose, I am giving. First spa website. First spa website is Twitter. Twitter. Okay. But whenever the Twitter was designed, no React was there, no Angular was there, no nothing was there. Only by using simple JavaScript they have designed the Twitter. That's why I am telling, can we use JavaScript and jQuery to make the spa? Yes, but so many DOM manipulation logic will come. Twitter was designed in such a way that it is spa and it is having internally so many DOM manipulation logic. Understood or not? Twitter is the world's first spa website. Understood? Twitter is the world's first spa website. Later, when React Angular like technology came, they have switched to that. Understood? So, So what up to this, what you have learned, what you have learned, this is the challenges, how to overcome the challenge by using SPA. Can we use the old technology? That means the JavaScript directory? Yes. But what's the problem will come? So many DOM manipulation and logic will come. That's why. What is the solution? That's why. What's the solution? Now we will come to this question. What is the solution? What is the solution? Solution is use use sorry, better to use, actually not use, it is better to use library library or framework. Library or framework. Now what is the difference between library or framework? If time permit, I will discuss today, otherwise later. Okay, otherwise in the tomorrow class. Okay, now what's other thing is like library. I am writing like library. React is a library. Okay, then Angular is a framework. Not only framework, Angular is end-to-end support they are providing. That's why Angular is called as developers platform. If you go to a React website, suppose open Google. Okay, better to open Google. Okay, so React I'm opening. Okay, so react.dev. Okay, so what they are telling, they itself React website itself telling what the library, the library. Understood or not? It's not my definition. That React itself telling that React is a library. Understood? I am not telling anything, they are telling. Okay, now go to angular.io website. Yes, now what's they are telling, it's actually web development framework for building the feature. Yes, future. Yes or not? Yes or not? So Angular they are telling as framework. Angular they itself telling as framework, and React they are telling what? Library. Understood or not? But both React and Angular, both objective is what? Making spa. Both Angular and React, both objective is what? Making spa. Yes or not? Making spa. That's why I am telling better to use library or framework. In the next class, we will discuss what is the difference between library and framework, when to use library, when to use framework, why are we are learning them library here. Okay, everything we will discuss in the next class. Okay, today continue the session. So React, Angular, some more is there. Suppose Vue is there. Okay, Ember is there. Ember is there. Suppose backbone. I'm just giving the name. Okay, no need to discuss about this. Knockout is there. Knockout. Okay, but mostly used in the industry is React and Angular. Do you, anyone can tell me some website that is using a React? Anyone can tell me some website that is using React? Yes, that's correct. So Facebook is there. Facebook is using React. Okay, anyone can tell me some website that is using React, sorry, Angular? Anyone, some website that is using Angular? Actually, Google, Gmail. Yes, absolutely. Gmail. is used by Gmail is developed by Angular. YouTube is developed by Angular. Okay, actually Google company introduced Angular. Okay, just I am mentioning the point. So uh, React, React is developed by Facebook. Do you know that React is developed by Facebook, and Angular, Angular, it is developed by Google. Is it or not? Is it or not? That's why whatever Facebook related website is there, na, Facebook, Instagram, they have designed their website by using React. Okay, and whatever Google related website is there, na, that's designed by Angular. Do you know Netflix is designed by React? Netflix also designed by React. Understood or not? So these two technology, React and Angular, can I tell, very hot topic in the market, very trending in the market? Anyone? Can I tell this? React and Angular, these two topic currently in the market is very hot topic. If you know this and you are after learning this, if you are sitting for the interview for and at the freshers level, then interviewer will be shocked that you know this at the freshers level. Yes, you know. Okay, but not only know, you have to really know. Yes. So next, just I am telling what are the difference between Angular and React. So React, just now I told you what is that. React is library and Angular is framework. Okay. And another thing I just told you, developers platform. So that terminology also I am mentioning here. So developers platform. Developers platform. So developer platforms means the technology is providing end-to-end solution. Okay, end-to-end solution from building to deploying. Okay, so I'm just mentioning here. So end-to-end solution. Okay, from from building to deploying. Yes or not? Yes or not? That's not required to depend any third party. Third parties. That's the point. No need to depend. No need to. No need to depend on any third party. That's why Angular is called as a developers platform. Everyone understood up to this part. Everyone understood up to this part. Yes. Actually, jQuery is there na, jQuery. jQuery is also the library. Okay. jQuery is also the library. But jQuery cannot be used to make spa. jQuery cannot be used to make spa because jQuery, though it is library, it is not capable to make a spa. Spa. What is the objective of this library and framework? Making spa. That's why I am telling these examples for this context. Okay, other than this, so many libraries are there, so many libraries are there. Why I am not mentioning it in here? Because their aim is not making spa, but these technology, this library or framework, their aim is to make what? Spa. Understood or not? Now you can tell like why jQuery is a library. You are not mentioning why. Because their aim is not spa. Their aim is not making spa. Something different is there. Making JavaScript syntax is easy is the target of jQuery, not making the spa. Okay, that's why I'm just telling. Yes. So today we have some time. So in the meantime, what we will do? Just a library and uh, framework, library and framework, some hands-on difference we will see how library works and how framework works. Whenever you are using some library, whatever it has the control, and whenever you are using the framework, whatever you have the control, that part we will discuss only here. Okay, suppose, so what I will do, suppose I am creating here our workspace. Okay, so new folder. Okay, what it is? So react or okay, demo demo class na, so react demo. Okay, now open it with VS Code. Okay, now first what we will do, we will just install some library and framework. Okay, so npm install, I'm just installing jQuery. Okay, just to show you that jQuery, how library is used. That part I want to show you. That's why I want to install jQuery. Okay. Then I want to install what? Angular also. Angular. Angular. Just to show you how framework work. Okay. I am not teaching you jQuery. I am not teaching you library. Just what I am telling you how library works and how framework works. Okay. So what I will do, just creating one new file. Okay. So jQuery. jQuery. jQuery app dot js. Okay, dot js. Or better to better to create some html. Okay, html. Okay, now write the code here. Okay, so first what we will keep one template. Okay, boilerplate. Then some in the title I am giving what? Library demo. Library demo. Okay, then we have to link the library link. Then in place of uh sorry, it is not css, it is actually javascript library na. So script src. And what? It is a node modules. Then what? Then it is a jQuery inside the dist jQuery.js. Okay, then inside the body what I will write, I am giving some your name. Okay, your name. Then some input I am giving, type is text. Okay, now id I am giving as username. Okay, username. Okay, then some line break I am giving. Okay, then some heading, hello. And some span tag. Inside span I am giving some, I want to give some message by using jQuery. Okay, now id is message here. Id is msg. Okay, msg. Now body is over. HTML is over. Now I am writing some jQuery code here. No need to worry about what is jQuery. Just keep in mind what I am doing. So what I am doing here, uh, dollar is used. Okay, dollar is used. Now function. Okay, now some body I am writing. Okay, no need to worry about the syntax. Uh, then has username, that means ID. Okay, no need to worry about the syntax. That's just what I am doing. Just keep in mind. Okay, now key up. Okay, then function. Okay, key up is the function. Na? Everyone just confirm me once it is JavaScript event. Sorry, key up is the event. Just confirm me once everyone know about this key up event. Yes. So that means this jQuery I am writing with the event, with the event. That means I am depending on some event. That part only keep in mind. Whatever function like thing I am writing here, that I am depending on event. Is it or not? I am depending on event. That part only keep in mind. Okay. Later what I am writing, that's not about anything. Uh, dollar. Okay. Then has message. Has message. Then dot HTML. Okay. HTML I want to change. Okay. Then again dollar. Then I want to change username. Username. Okay. Then dot val. Okay. Now save it and execute. Just see. Okay, suppose I am giving some my name. Okay, now automatically it is changing or not? Automatically it is changing or not? Just tell me. Just tell me up to this part. You are seeing that, you are realizing that some I'm giving that I'm changing the name. I'm changing my name, and it is automatically getting the reflect or not? But what I have to depend? What I have to depend? I have to depend on JavaScript event, na? Confirm me once. I have to depend on JavaScript event, na? So that I want to show you. So in the library example, I have got this responsive nature. The responsive nature I got by depending on what? JavaScript event. Everyone, confirm me. So I got this responsive nature by depending on what? By depending on what? JavaScript event. key up is the JavaScript event. Okay, now what I will do, same thing, only the framework example. So just create another file. So it is angular angular app dot html. Okay, now similar to the previous, what I will do, same boilerplate code. Now title is what, framework framework framework. Okay, now what I have to link, now script src. Okay, what I have to link, angular na. So inside node modules, angular.js. Okay, now inside body the same thing I will write. Okay, the same thing I will write. Okay, now what I have to do, now for angular body should have ng tab, ng app. Okay, body should have ng app. Okay, now name is there. Okay, name is having type text. Okay, and ng model I will give as ng model, not id. Okay, ng model I am giving. Okay, ng model is what, username. Okay, now line break, hello, and inside span, no id, nothing, no id, nothing. What I will give, some syntax is there inside this. I will write username. Yes, everyone got it. No script, nothing. Nothing I have written. Only for body I have given ngf. Okay, then your name. For input I have given the type text. Instead of ID, I have given ng model, then username. And inside span, no ID, nothing. Only some syntax and username. Now save it and execute. Now see the magic. See the magic. I'm opening in a new tab. Now I'm writing here. Can you see this? Some more name, another name. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? Automatically it is working na. Automatically it is working. Have I depend on the on have I depends on any JavaScript events? In a library, we have to depend on what, JavaScript event to make our page responsive. But in framework, have I ever written any type of JavaScript event? No, na. That means that's the difference of library and framework. In detail, we will discuss next class. Okay. In detail, we will discuss in the next class what is the library and what is the framework. Just what you are feeling here, what you are feeling here. You are feeling that any framework, whenever you are using na, any framework you are using, direct control they are taking. That means framework is directly controlling your element. Is it or not? Directly controlling your element. But what element for what in case of library? In case of library, you have to depend on JavaScript event, na? No control, nothing is there. Everyone got this, got it or not? Got it or not? Everyone just confirm me once. Everyone just confirm me once. You got the feeling of library and framework or not? For example purpose, I have to take some library in the example na. So I have taken the library for jQuery. Sorry, I have to take the jQuery for a library, and I have to take the Angular for framework. Yes. So other frameworks are there, other library is there also. Okay. React is the library. That means never you will find this type of controlling. This type of direct control you will never find in React. Okay. Whenever you will learn Angular, then you will find, or if any other framework, then you will find this direct controlling. That means framework will take the control of your element. No need to do anything. Developers, no need to worry. Okay, but in case of library, you have to worry. You have to depend on various JavaScript events. That means again go back to JavaScript. Is it or not? That's why I am telling. That's why for React, JavaScript is prerequisite. Everyone got it or not? Whatever we have learned today, just confirm me once everything you have learned. Okay. Okay, so up to this is enough for today. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Okay, and after this, I am stopping the screen recording, but everyone stay in the class. I am just discussing the class structure or related question, I am going to give you the answer. Okay.